Imagine that you have a shipment that doesn't fill an entire shipping container. Instead of paying for unused space, LCL crating allows you to share container space with other shipments heading to the same destination. Here's how it works.
Nellians.
It all starts with precise measurements. Our carpenters calculate the dimensions of each item, meticulously arranging them to maximize space. Next comes the crate construction. Our team selects durable materials to create a tailor-made shipping crate. Since the wooden crates are custom fabricated for each shipment, they can fit all sorts of goods. Whether it's delicate electronics or bulky machinery, LCL ensures that every item is secured and protected. These crates not only protect your goods, but also optimize the space within the container. Each crate is then marked and labeled for easy tracking. Upon arrival, the crates are unloaded and sorted at the port in a process known as deconsolidation. Each crate is then forwarded to its final destination. So why is LCL crating important? Firstly, it's cost effective. You only pay for the space that your shipment occupies, which reduces shipping expenses compared to booking an entire container. Secondly, LCL crating provides flexibility. You can ship smaller quantities without waiting to fill a container, enabling faster delivery and reduced lead times. Third, it's environmentally friendly. By sharing container space, you contribute to lowering carbon emissions and reduced energy consumption. So, if you have a small shipment to send abroad, fret not about the shipping costs, for LCL allows them to be scaled down to the volume of your goods.
Move with Nellians. Remember to like, share, subscribe.